Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So some time ago I made a video where I presented and shared this tortilla wrap for my family, and my kids were super excited for this. So a lot of you started asking for the recipe that I should show you how I made it. Here we go guys. You will need some eggs, some spinach, some fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, salt, and seasoning cubes. That's basically all you need. And you will also need some cooking oil, okay, and some chili peppers, and that is if you want your own to be a bit spicy. We are not trying to make it too spicy, just a little bit of pepper to make it a bit spicy. That's all. You're going to crack in some eggs depending on how many people you are making it for. You want to crack in as many eggs as you want in a bowl. Add your salt, your seasoning cube, and your chili pepper. Whisk it and set that aside. Then you are going to slice up your fresh tomatoes. As you can see, my spinach is already set and ready to go. I had already washed it. My mozzarella is sitting pretty in the nylon bag over there, as you can see. And this is the thinness or the thickness of the sliced tomatoes. You want to make it flat but not too flat. In fact, just cut it as thick or thin as you want. And of course, my spinach, my mozzarella cheese, and let's start putting all these together in a pan. So in a pan, you are going to add in some oil, just a little bit of oil, then go in with the egg. I'm using this cup to kind of measure it. We are 6 in my family, so I'm doing this to know the quantity I'm serving each of us. Does that make sense? Anyways, just add the oil, pour in some eggs, and layer the sliced fresh tomatoes, the spinach, and the cheese by the side. Now we are going to cover it up with our tortilla wrap. This is the brand I'm using. You can use any brand of your choice. Yes, and just cover it up, and we are going to flip it over. So I'm going to cover it with a big enough plate to help me flip it over, and then put it back in the pan. This time around, the tortilla wrap is going to be sitting on the pan while the vegetables, the cheese, and the egg sits on top of the tortilla, as you can see obviously on the screen. Now you're going to fold it in two, let it fry a little bit, then flip it to the other side so it can fry as well. And that is basically it, you guys. This is so simple. I know it was a bit messy the day I was doing this. It was a bit messy, but if you do it correctly, you're going to enjoy the process. I'm telling you, although it took some time because I was making for 6 people. So I stood there, I didn't leave that stove. I just stood there and I was just flipping and frying and turning and all of that good stuff. Once again, add the oil in the pan, pour in the egg, layer the fresh tomatoes, the spinach, and then put the tortilla wrap on top and flip it over. Now this time around, we are going to be putting cheese on top of the egg, not like we did with the first one. This one is different, just a little bit different from the first one. They are both basically the same thing. It's just a matter of placing the ingredients or the items right. Okay, this time around, you can see what I did here. I did this thing in 3 different ways or 4 different ways. I can't remember at this point, but this one, I think this one is the easiest one. Just add the egg, put the tortilla on top, flip it over, and then start adding your vegetables and your cheese, and then cover it up, fold it in 2, and that's it. I think this is my favorite. I was just trying out different methods to see which one works best and which one is more faster. And yeah, that's it guys. You can see I'm all done. This is all 6 of them. Guys, my family thoroughly enjoyed this, including my husband. Everybody was just happy the day I made this tortilla wrap, and I'm sharing with you guys today so you can go and make this for your family as well and put a smile on their faces. Like, who wouldn't love a delicious meal like this? And then wash it down with a delicious refreshing fruit juice that I made myself as well. All right guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.